Hello, manufacturing world. I'm Jim Kurek. I'm the OEM sales manager for Allied Machine and Engineering. We're a hole making company out of Dover, Ohio. We build anything with the aspect of holes. So drills, boring tools, threading tools, thread mills, reamers. So we look at that aspect of the whole together. So we're a nice sized company. We cover the whole world. We're all over the world. Allied Machine builds. We build spade drills. They've been around forever, but one of our newest drills is the TA Pro. We redefined spade drilling. Indexable drills. We have a superb indexable drill line. I'd say second to none. You can do things with our indexable drill like plunge drilling that you can't do with the competition. That's what makes us unique. We have to look above and beyond our competition because most customers would say, I'm just going to go with them because they have everything. We are unique. We're going to look at the whole. So we're going to try to save you money and increase your productivity. One of those things where we travel all over the country, work with all their distributors, helping them with turnkeys and presenting solutions. And that is kind of the nuts and bolts of Allied Machine and Engineering.